In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template on Hubspot using all the latest features for 2023. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create professional and effective templates with ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot website. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools HubSpot has to offer. When you reach the homepage, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed. Click on login to enter your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial, so make sure you're using a strong, unique password. Once you've successfully logged into your HubSpot account, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home. This is the hub of all your operations where you can manage your marketing, sales, service, and more. The next step is to locate the library. It's an essential feature where all your marketing assets like templates, documents, and files are stored. Click on Library to open it. Now that you're in the library, your next task is to click on the Templates section. The Templates section houses all the reusable content blocks you've created, and this is where you will be crafting your new email template. Once you're in the Templates section, look for the New Template button. This is your gateway to starting a fresh template that you can design from scratch or with pre-existing designs. Since our focus today is on building a template from scratch, go ahead and click on New Template. At this point, HubSpot offers you several choices, but for the most control and customization, we're going to select From Scratch. This option is perfect for those who want to tailor every detail of their email to fit their branding and messaging requirements. Clicking From Scratch will open a new blank canvas where you can start designing your template. As you're building your email template, keep in mind the key elements of good design: simplicity, alignment, consistent use of colors and fonts, and mobile responsiveness. You want your emails to look just as engaging on a smartphone or tablet as they do on a desktop computer. Take advantage of HubSpot's drag and drop functionality to easily move content around and try different layouts without any need for coding skills. And there you have it, you now know how to set up a new email template in HubSpot. Equipped with the newest features available for 2022, use this template for your next email campaign to save time and ensure consistency in your communications. Stick around for more tutorials, and feel free to explore other tools that HubSpot provides to optimize your digital marketing strategy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.